Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm gonna be guiding you through how to log out of Free Fire from all devices. First of all, launch open the Free Fire game on a device, and once you're inside the Free Fire lobby, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will bring up the settings menu where you'll need to tap on account and basics from the left hand side. Once you're inside this page, click on the login history button at the top and you will see the login history on the page. Now, if there is any other devices connected or logged in to Free Fire with, now you will then be able to see all of the devices that you are logged into Free Fire with. If you see any unauthorized device over there, you can simply go ahead and tap on the logout from all at the bottom right corner. In the pop-up, click on confirm and you'll then be redirected to your login screen. After you do this, any unauthorized access that has to your Free Fire account will also be removed or logged out. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.